If your business sells taxable goods or services, or owes tax on certain purchases, you must file a Florida Sales and Use Tax Return. Most businesses use Form D R15 and submit it through the Florida Department of Revenue's online filing system. Before you start filing, to make the filing process smoother, gather your records in advance. You will need your total gross sales for the period, any exempt sales, taxable purchases from out-of-state suppliers, local discretionary surtax collected. Having good bookkeeping is critical because it ensures the information you enter on Form D R15 is correct. Accessing your online account. Most businesses file and pay electronically. If you forget your username or password, you can recover them through the Department of Revenue website. Once logged in, you can begin completing Form D R15 online. Completing the Sales and Use Tax Return. When filling out Form D R15 online, you will enter gross sales before tax, exempt sales, taxable sales calculated automatically, sales tax collected including county surtax, use tax owed on taxable out-of-state purchases. Some fields will calculate automatically, but you should still review all entries carefully. Additional sections you may need. The return also includes spaces for deductions such as customer refunds, prior estimated tax payments, credit memos from the state, surtax reporting for counties with different rates, industry-specific tax categories, if applicable. Calculating your amount due. After completing